Hello! My name is Ryan Yoakum, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Business Source Complete for the Principles of Marketing class. Business Source Complete is a database that will have company profiles for public companies, but it will also contain a whole bunch of news stories for both public and private companies. If I'm in the Marketing Research Guide on the library webpage, I'm going to go to the Company Profiles tab, and then under the Databases box, I'm going to click on Business Source Complete, which is the second link right here. And then we're going to first actually find company profiles, which can be a little weird to find. But if we're in this main search engine right here, we're actually going to go to Publications. And then this will have the reports and profiles for public companies. So let's say I'm interested in Dairy Queen, which is owned by Berkshire Hathaway. I'm going to type in Berkshire Hathaway. And then we'll get both a company profile and a SWOT analysis for the company. So for this example, I'm going to click on the company profile. And then we're going to navigate right here to the right and pick the most recent one and access it via PDF. And this will give us a report. In this report, we have a variety of different content here. So we get, for example, a company overview. We can get a history of the company right here and a description of what the company does. There's information about key employees, as well as the products of the company. If we go to SWOT analysis, we get kind of a briefer SWOT analysis than in the larger SWOT analysis report, but that is there too. And then if I go back up, we also have information about competitors, some analysis about the company, and then a bunch of locations and subsidiaries related to that company. So that is the profile for public companies. But if I'm looking, let's say, for articles, I can use the search engine on the top of that initial page. And let's say I'm looking for articles on Dairy Queen. I'm going to type that into the search engine. And here we'll get a variety of results. If we're looking for something specific, I can go right here to the filters to narrow down the search. So let's say I'm interested in publications from the past 5 years. I can click on that. We can also filter by different source types. So if I'm interested in, let's say, trade publications, I can narrow down there. Subject is helpful if you're looking for something very specific related to the company. And then you can use a bunch of these different filters for a variety of things. So if I want full text, for example, I can click on that. We can go here to geography if we're looking for stories based on a specific location, and so on and so on. So I'll apply that. And now we have more narrowed results. And that's all I wanted to show for today with Business Source Complete. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help you out with your specific example. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in searching in Business Source Complete.